Earthquakes, exploring the shaky world beneath our feet. Have you ever felt the ground shake beneath your feet? That's called an earthquake. Earthquakes are like giant rumbles that happen deep underground. But why do earthquakes happen? Well, deep beneath the Earth's surface, there are big pieces of rock called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but sometimes they get stuck. When the plates suddenly break free, it causes a lot of energy to be released. This energy travels through the Earth and makes the ground shake, causing an earthquake. Earthquakes can happen anywhere in the world, but they're most common along the edges of tectonic plates. This is where the plates meet and sometimes collide or slide past each other. During an earthquake, buildings can shake and things might fall over. It can be scary, but there are ways to stay safe, like ducking under a sturdy table or staying away from windows. Animals can sometimes sense earthquakes before they happen. They might act strangely or try to find a safe place to hide. Scientists study these animal behaviors to learn more about earthquakes and how to predict them. Understanding earthquakes is important for keeping people and buildings safe. Scientists use special tools to measure earthquakes and warn people when they might happen. So, the next time you feel the ground shake, remember that you're experiencing the powerful forces of nature deep beneath our feet. It's the shaky world of earthquakes.